Greetings, Finovators. My name is Andrew Bank. This is Greg Hammerman, and we are the co-founders of Larky. Larky helps financial institutions, banks, and credit unions deliver serendipitous delight and instant savings to their users throughout their daily routines. So what does that actually mean, and what is a serendipitous delight? Well, practically speaking, Larky builds merchant-funded, white-label point-of-sale discount programs, and then we use our web and mobile platform to help users get all these discounts and save $1,000 or more per year. If you're a financial institution, an FI, and you deliver that kind of tangible added value to your audience, you're going to be repaid with stronger loyalty, greater wallet share, more card swipes, and higher interchange revenue. And with our system, you can even boost local business by driving traffic to their doors. So let's talk about why we're doing this. Raise your hand if you love your bank or credit union. Okay, the people who work at banks or credit unions are raising their hands, and that's fine. It's kind of a rhetorical question. You know, you love your local gym, your local bakery, your coffee shop. I personally stopped drinking caffeine, so now I love my local ice cream shop. It went from one vice to another. Very few people love their bank or credit union. In fact, Capgemini just did a study that showed that only 50% of banked consumers are confident that they'll have the same primary account in 6 months. And even if they stay with you, retention does not equate to loyalty. A Bain & Company study showed that 50% of financial products are purchased from non-primary institutions. So get this, half your customers are not sure they're going to be with you in 6 months, and they're buying half their financial products from somebody else. And you know that if they're not loyal to you, then your credit or debit card is probably not top of wallet when they go to make a purchase. So Larky addresses the problems of loyalty, wallet share, and card revenue. Let's look at how we tackle that. So today at Finovate, we are announcing the launch of our new Android app, as well as, for the first time, we're making our technology available to FIs on an FI-branded white label platform on iOS, Android, and the web. Now let's pretend that all of you are managers at Finovate Bank or Finovate Credit Union, if you swing that way. We're agnostic, we love both. So we're just gonna call ours Finovate Savings. We have built a Finovate Savings mobile and web discount platform for your members, and we've stocked it with compelling discounts from local merchants right in your backyard, places where your members already love to shop. You can view these in a list, you can view by category, you can search by location if you want to. Now we work very closely with you to determine which discounts go into your program, and then we handle the rest, negotiating the discounts, keeping them up to date, and managing merchant relationships. We can even focus our merchant efforts on your own commercial clients. So not only are you promoting local business, but you're pushing traffic to your own commercial customers. So as it says here, to redeem, you simply pay with your Finovate Savings credit or debit card. So we're driving interchange revenue for you. This all requires zero integration, no card reissuing, and no card activation by users. So it's important to note that users never really have to go into the app to do this. They don't even have to have the app. Here's the magic. We use location-based services to alert your members when they're physically near a discount. We call this contextual engagement. And the power and the value of context cannot be overstated. You see, 72% of the consumers we surveyed said, I know I deserve some discounts, but I don't know what they are or how to get them. And those users said to us in large numbers, I want to get my discounts, but I don't want to change my behavior. So the old system of just making these discounts available and hoping people get them is broken. The most effective way to get your users all their savings, all the discounts they deserve, is to integrate this information into their daily routines. That's why Larky is truly set it and forget it. It just works for you in the background and surprises your users with, wait for it, serendipitous delight, instant savings that they never knew they had. Now, our alerts can also be used for lots of other things. For example, if your members, if somebody goes to a car dealer, the system can actually send them an alert telling them about your great car loan rates and even giving them a special offer to finance through you. Now, we know that banking is a commodity business, and FIs need to stand out. 53% of millennials think that their FI is no different than the next. 74% want their FI to help them save money. 72% of consumers respond to marketing messages inside of a retailer. And 77% of consumers say they would be more loyal to their FI if they were rewarded for their business. And that's a lot of numbers rattling around in my head and now yours. But here's the kicker, the one you should remember. Loyal customers buy 14% more products from you than non-loyal customers. So by helping your customers get all these savings and get this serendipitous delight, you're going to be repaid with stronger loyalty, greater wallet share, higher interchange revenue, and the opportunity to support local business and stand out from other FIs. Let me just take 20 seconds to give you some company background. Larky is a VC-backed company based in Ann Arbor, Michigan. We were recently chosen as an impact pilot by Filene Research Institute, aka Filene. And we're very fortunate to have among our investors the payments luminaries Anil Agarwal and John Weiner, the founders of TXVia and Money 2020. There are three things we want you to remember about Larky today: local, instant, and white label. We cultivate compelling local discounts for merchants right in your backyard, and we help drive traffic to local business. We deliver point-of-sale, merchant-funded instant savings, not delayed rewards, not points, not cash back. And we drive card swipes and interchange revenue. And we package it all up in a white label platform with your name and logo for maximum branding and loyalty. If you're an FI, let's talk after this about boosting your loyalty, your member loyalty, and your bottom line. Let's talk about keeping you top of mind and helping you touch your members throughout their daily routines, not just when they're banking. Let's talk about helping you become more than just a credit union, more than just a bank. And lastly, the first 25 people to visit us at our booth will get a little bit of serendipitous delight, Larky style. It'll be worth your while. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great day.